My AC is about to turn off in a few because I don't want it to be intruding and messing up the sound in this video or whatever. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a Q&A. I asked my followers on IG what they wanted to ask me, and it didn't have to be anything specific. Hold on, let me reapply my lip gloss because I definitely forgot to do that. Yeah, so I asked my followers to send me in some questions, and I have some questions pulled up, and then I have some questions that I thought were some good questions. So oh wait, I did just remember something. I guess I'll address this before I move forward into this video. I just felt like I needed to say this, so I'm gonna just say it. Today, I did have like a whole breakdown earlier this morning. I know why. I have a couple ideas, and it started from last night. It caught me off guard, honestly, because it was just a whole mix of emotions that just poured out. My hormones are just up and down, and my emotions, or thinking, and all. It's just a lot that goes on with that. A lot of feelings, overthinking, stress, just anxiety. Like, it literally just all comes at once. So it definitely got me overwhelmed, and I just broke down for a good 20 minutes. Yeah, probably. Well, no, it was probably, I'm probably dragging it. It probably was 20 minutes, probably 15. I just felt like I should say that because I feel like a question is gonna come up where that probably ties into what happened earlier. But I feel better now. Like, I prayed. I always pray every day when I wake up, first of all. And I prayed while that was happening. I literally like had a conversation with God, and ooh, I don't want to get emotional. But he was telling me that everything will be okay and there's nothing to worry about. So I just kind of got over it at that point. When I say God talks to me, I'm not just saying that. Like, I literally know that is God's voice. So that got emotional quickly. I can't be messing up my makeup. Okay, so sheesh, what a way to start the video. So the first question that I'm going to answer is, I actually answered some of these questions and I have it on my laptop. The first question I'm going to answer is, what do you aspire to be in life? I just want to be able to help people in life. I'm still trying to figure out what exactly that is. I really don't know. And you know, I'm just okay with not knowing, really. I'm only 23 and I'm still figuring life out. I'm still making commitments every day to my faith, and yeah, I'm just constantly always evolving, growing, learning. I'm just gonna go with the flow and however I feel and however God guides me, you know, however God uses me. So that's just my answer. So the next question is, how are you? And the person that asked this question, I already sent them a personal message. I just really appreciate questions like this. It's like a small question, but it means a lot to me. Oh my God, why am I so emotional today? What is going on? I feel great today. Yesterday I felt amazing. I felt way better today. I mean, yesterday. But you know, things like that happen in life. You know, you don't always constantly feel the same way every single day, every single minute, every single hour. So today I feel good. I feel good. Still figuring out life, and I'm even more receptive and accepting of how certain situations or circumstances are through this process. I'm always constantly working on myself in every way, and I feel good in every aspect right now. And if you know me, you know that I just think about a lot. People might not like see that day to day because I don't really express my emotions. I've just kind of grew up like that. Well, I've always been vocal. It's just I didn't feel comfortable voicing my opinion because it would always be criticized and judged. I'm just a very closed off person, and I'm just really trying to be stable in every aspect. Like it's a lot of components that make me feel how I feel right now. So yeah, that's my answer to that one, and thank you again for that question. Somebody asked me what hair I use for this ponytail, and this is a brand called Rio. I got this from a beauty supply store I used to work at, so it might be at your local beauty supply store, I'm not sure, but the brand is Rio, and the curl pattern is Brazilian, and I think I'm using 22 and 24 inch. So yeah. The next question is, what is your biggest goal in life? And this is a difficult question. I don't really think this is a question that you can really have the same answer to every time. You know what? The most important thing that I want to accomplish in life is committing myself to my faith. Yeah, I'm always constantly working on that. So I feel like that's a good answer to that. I guess I'll give 2 more goals. Another goal is, I feel like most people do, but I've just always just wanted a family. Like I just want that for myself. I want little mini me's running around. And I want a husband. Like I've always wanted that. And the third goal would be having ownership. I'll say that. Because I want to own many different things. I feel like that's why I be all over the place as well. Because it's like I want to do so many things that I don't know where to start. And it's like I have to figure these things out by myself. So it's difficult. Thank you for that question. That was a good question. What foundation do you use? Hold on, let me get the foundation. So I have this whole makeup bag right here. I have more makeup than this, but that's not a part of the video. So I use, and you actually was on vacation with me when I used this foundation and broke it in Mexico. If you watched my Mexico vlog, Tulum, that's where we went to, you would know that I had this foundation and broke it, and I was livid. But yeah, this is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Warm Sand. I love this foundation. Like it's like, I watched somebody's, I'm pretty sure it was like Jackie Ina's YouTube video where she used this foundation, and I was like, I gotta try that because her makeup be looking bomb. So I tried it and I never looked back. Who taught you how to do makeup? I would say a combination of watching YouTube videos. I used to really watch It's My Ray Ray a lot, Aaliyah J. I just took it upon myself to just practice all the time, doing my own makeup and finding what works best for my face shape, my skin type. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I just always did my own makeup, because even when you watch YouTube videos and you do it how they do it, it might not turn out the way that you want it to, or it might not be as flattering on your face the way that they do it for their face. That's pretty much it. I just practice, honestly. So yeah. What's one of your favorite quotes? What's one of your favorite quotes? Well, this is more of an affirmation basically, but I'm gonna just say it. I don't chase, I attract. Everything I want simply finds me. I love it because it's just so simple, but it's so true. And I really be having to remind myself that very often, because, you know, I can't control everything that happens. I just have to give it up to God and let him handle it, and, you know, control what I can. Everything might not always turn out in my favor, but he knows what's best for me, and he knows what I need, not what I want. Can I get... What did 2021 teach you? To focus on myself. I feel like I've been doing that, but I be having to remind myself, like, stay grounded, and your faith is a priority, because it is. Like, really my whole life I've been going through stuff, but these past 2 years, and I'm pretty sure everybody else can co-sign on that, I've been very hectic. Just thinking about it gives me a headache. But 2021 has taught me patience, understanding, constant things we should be always working on, you know, committing to your faith, seeking truth, following truth. Yeah, 2021 has taught me patience and just being very grounded and focused, and not focusing too much on the worldly things, because at the end of the day that doesn't really matter. Next question is, tell me 5 things that you're grateful for. My life. So that's 1. My faith, my family, even though it's a hot mess. My mindset. Like, my mind has gotten me out of a lot of negative places, and I'm grateful for, I think, my positivity. Well, that kind of goes with mindset, and I'm just thankful for where I am today, because earlier this year, I said I wanted my own place by next year, and I have my own place now, even though it was certain circumstances that basically forced me to move. I'm definitely grateful. Next question. What's a deal breaker for you in a relationship or friendship? A relationship is definitely cheating. I don't give a fuck. I don't care how you try to justify it. You do not love the person that you're with if you cheat on a whole other person while you in a relationship. That is just so disrespectful. Cheating is not love. I don't know why people trying to normalize things that are just morally wrong. In a friendship, I would say a liar and somebody who doesn't keep it real. That's basically kind of the same thing, but I can't stand people like that. Or envy. I can't stand that. Cause how are you gonna get mad at me for being me? Like, I can't help the fact that I'm likable and I'm cute. I thank God for that. Like, you basically saying that you don't like how God made me. God made me this way. You should be asking yourself why God made you that way. Like, nobody told you to have envy in your heart. You did that yourself. Anyway, next question is, what are some things you've had to unlearn in life? I had to unlearn that I can't control everything. I had to unlearn that years ago, literally. That's how I felt lighter, and I was able to think more clearly. Another thing too that I had to unlearn is that everybody is not the same. Well, obviously, but this is what I'm trying to say. You can't expect what you would do to somebody for somebody to do for you. If they don't want to do something, they're just not going to do it. They might do it for somebody else, but they might not do it for you. So I would say setting expectations on people, basically, because you'll get disappointed every time. What's your dream vacation, and who would you want to bring with you? My dream vacation would probably be on an island on like Bora Bora or something. Who I would want to bring with me? My future husband. So if you're out there, that's where we're going. Like, I want to go on a exclusive island and be in one of those huts or something, like, or say Chilis, however you say it, I don't remember, but say Chilis, I don't know, something like that, something exotic and cute that will be memorable. That's a memorable moment. Like, I don't want to just go to like Jamaica or Hawaii. That's I haven't been there yet and I want to go, but that's, to me, that's not a dream vacation for me. So yeah, that's it. Future husband, what you doing? Stop playing with me. What's your self-love language? Definitely having like a what is it called? Like a self-care day. I feel like all my ladies can agree to that. Like if I don't have my nails done or my hair done, I just feel really blessed and real like bummy. Like if I don't have my makeup done, at least I need to have my hair and my nails done. Nails, hair done, a wax, a massage, and I'll even like dress up and go out and get dinner by myself. I've done that before. I need to do another one of those types of days again because I really did enjoy that day. Like writing too helps. That helps me get out my thoughts when I feel like I'm just thinking about too much. So yeah. If you could get a message across the world to people, what would you say? I mean, who am I? Do what's best for you. I've been in many situations where I would be being told constantly and getting certain signs and messages on doing something, and I would just put it off. In the back of my mind, I knew I had to do it, but I would just kind of put it off. And then when I did it, it was like a sense of relief, even though I didn't want to do it and I was sad or whatever about it. It needed to be done. Yeah, just do what you know is best for you. I'm telling you, it will make your life so much more manageable and less stressful. Who are your top 5 artists to listen to? Okay. Eric Bellinger, Chris Brown, her. Who else have I been listening to heavy? That's hard. Top 5? Only 5? Okay, I guess I'll give rappers because those were R&B. I'll give 2 rappers. Nas, and I really don't be listening to rappers heavy like that. Why is this so difficult for me? I'll say Beyonce because I'm always listening to her, but I don't listen to her that much. That doesn't make sense, but I'll just say them. So Beyonce, Chris Brown, Eric Bellinger, her, and Nas. Yeah, I don't listen to too many different people though. Like, that's the thing. Okay, and that was the last question. Those were some good questions. Let me know your thoughts or answers to the questions that I answered in the comment section below, you know. Talk to me. Let's have a conversation. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social medias. Keep in contact with me, you know, keep updated with me and everything. And also, I have a new collection that dropped on my website. Yes, I have a website where I sell makeup, lashes, and accessories. And now I have clothing available for the ladies. And it's really cute. It's a limited collection. So I want you guys to check that out in the link below. I'm going to have it most likely pinned in the comments below. Thank you guys for all of your support. And I really just appreciate everybody that supports me. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.